In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Canva all within 5 minutes. So if you've ever wondered how to seamlessly incorporate tables into your design projects, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, we need to make our way over to the Canva platform if you're not already there. Once you've got your desired project open, you'll begin by navigating to the left-hand toolbar. Here, you'll see a variety of options that Canva provides to enhance your designs, but our focus right now is on the Elements tab. This tab is a goldmine of resources, providing everything from shapes to photos and yes, tables. With the Elements tab open, you'll see a search bar positioned conveniently at the top. What you want to do here is to type in the word table. This will instantly pull up a selection of different table styles and formats, ready for you to explore and choose from. Canva truly makes it easy by offering a range of templates, from simple grids to more complex designs, so you should have no trouble finding one that aligns with your project needs. Now that you've browsed through the options and found a table design that suits your requirements, it's time to incorporate it into your workspace. Simply click on your chosen table and hold the mouse button down to drag it over to your canvas. With a gentle release of the mouse button, your table will be placed onto your design, ready for customization. Here's where your creative input really comes into play. You can adjust the size of your table if needed by clicking and dragging the edges to expand or contract it as fits your vision. And don't worry, if the first table you pick isn't quite right, you can always drag it off the canvas and grab another one. Once your table is positioned just right, the final step is to input your information. Click on any of the cells within the table and you'll notice that you can begin typing directly into them. Whether you're cataloging numbers, writing statements or listing items, inputting data is straightforward and user-friendly. Canva also offers options to adjust fonts, colors and text alignment, allowing you to style your table to match the rest of your design seamlessly. And there you have it, folks, the complete process for adding a table in Canva laid out clearly and simply. With just these few quick steps, you can now enhance any of your projects with organized, visually appealing tables. So, give it a try and see how tables can elevate your designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing in Canva.